Good evening, traders. It is Wednesday, June 30th, and I just wanted to do a really fast video. I don't have a lot of time tonight, but just wanted to let you know we did have a breakdown of the Head and Shoulders topping pattern yesterday on the SPY, and we had another close below today, and I'm still holding on to all my position overnight. That is a little risky thing to do because I do have August puts, but the way I see the market pushing down to the 990 to 1000 area, and there could be a potential maybe a retest of the neckline at 1040 at that point, but maybe not. It could just be like a 20-point bounce. Something intraday. But if there's a big gap down tomorrow, I'm going to look to take out of some of my position, and because it is an August put, I'm going to look to reload on an intraday bounce. I'm still bearish. I think, well, the pattern suggested we go to 875. It may not happen right away, but these next few days I want to stay short because the VIX looks like it's really ready to run, and on these days you could have 50-point down days, and I'm expecting that to happen. There's also the possibility of a potential crash type scenario. If some bad news came out. So I want to stay short because the move is going to go to, I think it is going to go to 875, 900 before any significant bounce. But at the same time, you want to. I have a lot of profit in this position now. I caught the move from 122 to 107. I took out, and then I played the bounce in some silver stocks to while it was bouncing, and then I got short right around 112 again, and here we are at 102, 103.22. And when you have a lot of profit, you want to err on the side of caution, especially with options that are near term. If they turn on you, you could give back a lot of money. So what I'm going to look to do is hopefully on a gap down. Hopefully it gaps down 20 30 points, so I can have some nice profit sitting there in the morning. I think there's a good chance of a gap down tomorrow. But just to let you know, my thinking is it all depends on what you're doing. If you're able to short stocks in your account and you're not heavily margined, if you want to short and hold from here, it's not a bad bet. Or exiting longs at this point, definitely exit longs. This market is heading down. This is a bear market, and the rally from 666 low to 1225 was a bear market rally. Markets usually don't rally that hard, that fast. It's happened before in the early 30s in the Great Depression. You got to be careful, and if you look at the monthly chart for the SPY, you're going to see that the MACD is rolling over. It looks like it's going to roll over, and the MACD never crossed above zero. So that tells you something about this rally. So and this decline. And like I said today, I anticipated that the monthly candle was going to close outside, make new lows by the end of the month, and that's what happened today. And that's very bearish. That's telling me to stay short, not cover, not panic and get out of my position, because this is where you can make some real profit. So keep this in mind. Watch the hour. If you want to really, if you don't want to leave, thousands on the table or tens of thousands, whatever money you're playing with. Watch the hourly. I mean, tomorrow, I think if there's a huge gap down, it might run a little more, but that would be an area I'd be looking to take some profit, wait for a bounce, reload even maybe a couple hours later or something, but at least, take something off the table and have some profit there. But it all depends. If you're playing with options, you might want to do that because there's a lot of profits left on the table. If you're dealing with the stock, yes, you can hold it. You can hold short now. I would take out above, if the market starts going above 1040 again on a closing basis. But you want to exit longs now. You want to get short. You want to look at stocks to short on bounces. So you take profit on the dips. Buy on the dips, sell on the rallies, and you want to sell the rallies more aggressively than buying on the dips. So that's pretty much the mentality now, and keep this in mind. I'm going to post more videos again, but you know where I stand. I'm still bearish, and I'm going to adjust some positions, but I'm still going to be in the bear camp. You know, there might be a time where I see a rally and I take out of everything for a day or so. If I think there's going to be a few day rally, and I don't really see that yet. That could happen tomorrow if we get some big rippage down. So just keep that in mind. You gotta know what your trading strategy is, and always have, you know, your get out points. Have a good one, and I'll be putting up a video soon.